From this video, you will learn how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. So look, these all are mixed numbers and we need to convert these mixed numbers to improper fraction. Look, in mixed number, we'll have a whole number part and another is fractional part. In fractional part, we must have proper fraction, that is numerator will be lower than denominator. So to convert this mixed number to improper fraction, we need to multiply this whole number and the denominator, and we need to add the numerator, that is 5 times 3, then we have to add these 2, and we need to take the same denominator, here 3, here 3. So now we are getting 15 plus 2 divided by 3, that is 17 over 3, right? Okay, now look, here is another mixed number, so we need to multiply this whole number to the denominator and we need to add the numerator. So we are getting here 3 times 4 plus 3 divided by this 4. So we are getting here, look, 12 plus 3 divided by 4, that is 15 over 4, right? So look, this is the improper fraction because here numerator is greater than denominator. In improper fraction, numerator must be greater than denominator. This also is a improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. Here is the another mixed number. So how to convert this mixed number to improper fraction? So multiply this whole number to the denominator, then add the numerator and take the same denominator. So 55 plus 1 divided by 5, so we are getting 56 divided by 5, right? So numerator is greater than denominator, which is the improper fraction.